To create a column, the only thing that you have to do is create an item on assignments or discussion board. Let's say if we create a test, we go to assessment, click on test, choose the test that we want, submit it. We make it available if we want to. We choose the time. If we want to create a password, we can. Everything that you usually do to create a test. When you are done with this test options, go submit. Now the test is available here, and a column is now created here. You need to know that this test has to have some points. Let's say that is 5 points. We're going to update the points and click on OK. Now let's go to edit column information. As you notice, right now we have is a score. It's a really good option for total column. But if you want to go percentage, you can always choose the category and call it, for example, in this case, test, or maybe an extra point as the one that we created. If we put it on test, the system will recognize that this is part of a test. Then you can click on submit, and in the weighted total, everything that will be under test will show here. Test. So let's say that the test is 30% of the final amount, and this one will be just 20. Once again, we have 100, and we can submit. We can create as many assignments, as many discussion boards, and as many tests as we want. Just go into assignment, assessment, test, or exercise, or survey, or create a discussion board. Everything will be in the full result center. And if you locate the item in the category that you prefer, everything will be automatically calculated as 100. Thank you for your attention.